Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kamal Sidhu. In this lecture session, we will discuss the concept of GST. The lecture session will cover basic introduction of GST. We will discuss the features and objectives of GST. So do like, share and subscribe my channel. Now let's begin by discussing what do you mean by the term GST. GST is a goods and service tax which is a uniform indirect tax that is levied on goods and services across India. Various indirect central and state taxes are replaced by GST. So we can say that GST is an umbrella tax where taxes like VAT, CST, central excise duty, service tax, etc. are subsumed under GST. So it was launched on 1st July 2017 with the purpose of developing one nation, one tax. So we can define GST as a multi-stage destination-based tax. It is collected at the point of consumption and not at the point of origin. The multi-stage means that tax for the purpose of purchase of raw material, for manufacturing, for selling to the wholesaler, to the retailer, and sale to the end consumer. So GST is levied at each stage, but overall net value of tax is to be paid. The term destination based tax means that, for example, if the product is manufactured in Punjab and sold to the end consumer in Maharashtra, then GST will be collected by Maharashtra but not Punjab. Next, we will be discussing the main features of GST. As discussed in the definition part, that it is an umbrella tax where various central and state taxes are subsumed under it. Then GST has a four-tier tax structure with different slab rates of 5%, 12%, 18% and 28% for various goods and services. Then another important feature is that it is a destination based tax and multi-stage tax. This we have also discussed in the definition part. Then it requires latest technology and high skills to work through various softwares. Then another important feature is that GST has three components, that is central GST, state GST and integrated GST. The state and the central has equal share in CGST and SGST, while the IGST is collected by the state for interstate supply of various goods. Apart from these features, GST removes the cascading effect, that is double taxation effect, as under GST only the net tax is to be paid. Let's also discuss the purpose or the objectives of introducing GST in India. The most important objective of GST is removal of cascading effect, that is double taxation. GST removes tax on tax as the seller has to only pay the net tax. The introduction of GST also aims in making the Indian tax structure a uniform one, as various state and central taxes are subsumed under GST. The implementation of GST also aims in widening the tax base in India. It also aims in moving the unorganized sector to the organized one. Then with the online process, the transparency, corruption and tax evasion will reduce under GST, which will assist common man. Then GST also focuses on improving the revenue and the profits. The government also aims in reducing the complicated tax documentation process that existed in previous taxation systems. So we can say that GST plays a vital role in smooth functioning of the economy. It also plays an important role in economic development. So this was all in today's lecture session, in which we discussed the introduction to GST. And this figure shows various central and state taxes that were subsumed under GST or that were replaced by GST. Thank you.